In this video, I'll show you how to turn a single product image and a clear prompt into polished product ads with Polo AI. First, we'll use Try-On for apparel. Then we'll move into MoneyShot for high-end product visuals. And finally, we'll use AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude to write stronger prompts for Polo AI. If you've been wondering whether AI ads can work for your product, this walkthrough will show you, in a practical way, what the workflow can actually do. This is Polo AI, and today I'm focusing on one of its most practical workflows for e-commerce ads. Polo AI is designed to make prompt-based video creation easier, especially when your product details need to stay consistent. Whether your business is in apparel, beauty, or consumer electronics, this workflow can easily integrate into your current production pipeline. Inside Polo AI, one of the key areas for advertisers is Marketing Studio. This is where you'll find formats like dynamic product ads, UGC Try-On, and MoneyShot, each built for a different marketing angle. More and more sellers are using AI-generated creatives to test products faster on TikTok and other short-form platforms. For smaller teams especially, AI makes it easier to produce and test more variations without slowing down day-to-day operations. Now let's see how that works inside Marketing Studio. I'll start with the Try-On format. Once we open it, you'll see preview examples of AI presenters modeling items like jackets, dresses, and sportswear. I'll pick one example to start. From here, the dashboard comes down to 3 core settings: format, product, and avatar. I'll leave the format setting on default for now and focus on the product section first. For this demo, let's imagine you're launching a white down jacket, lightweight and warm, and you need to turn it into ad creatives quickly. You can upload the product directly here. Once that's in place, we'll move on to Avatar. Avatar is where we decide who presents the product. You can upload a custom model image as the base, choose a consistent brand presenter, or let the system assign one for you. When building brand ads, keeping a consistent face across your creatives helps establish visual continuity and long-term trust with your audience. I recommend preparing a few clean, real model photos to upload as your foundation asset, which helps the AI deliver a more natural look. Now let's move to the prompt panel. The system already gives us a default try-on prompt, so we'll just adjust it for our product by changing the main keyword to white down jacket. For the rest of the outfit, like pants or boots, we can leave the text description as it is and let the AI fill in the style. For the video settings, I'll choose a 9:16 aspect ratio, which is ideal for TikTok and Reels. Then set the duration to 10 seconds to hook attention in those critical first 3 seconds. For fast mobile testing, 720p is more than enough. We can also use batch generation to create 4 variations simultaneously, giving us a few different versions to choose from. For this first batch, let's hit generate. While the first batch is generating, there's another useful feature worth pointing out. You can type the exact line you want the presenter to say directly into the prompt, and the AI will sync the character's lip movements to your script so you don't need a separate voiceover step. I'll create a scripted version as well. This time, I'll replace the original line in the prompt with, "This down jacket is incredibly lightweight, and it keeps you warm." Now we'll let both versions generate and compare the results in a moment. Okay, the first batch is ready.
Okay, this jacket is doing all the work. The Tims just lock it in. That's the fit.
As you can see, the output is close enough for fast social ad testing while still keeping the key product details clear. The fit of the jacket, the fabric reflections, and the presenter's movements all look natural. For a creative generated in just a few minutes, this is very practical for social feeds. Now let's look at the scripted version.
This down jacket is incredibly lightweight and it keeps you warm.
The lip sync is accurate, and the voice delivery feels smooth without sounding robotic. That can save a lot of time and back and forth for teams producing product review or UGC-style assets at scale. So to sum up the try-on workflow, it only takes a few minutes, keeps production costs low, and lets you generate 4 variations at once. A full manual shoot still has its place, but for testing and iteration, AI turns one idea into multiple usable options much faster. Now that we've seen how try-on works, let's move on to the MoneyShot module, which is designed to create high-impact hero videos for flagship products. For the next demo, Let's use a fragrance product for an Amazon-style listing or social ad. Inside MoneyShot, you have the same 3 foundational settings. For this one, I'll keep the prompt template exactly as it is. The only thing I'm going to do is upload a clean, high-resolution image of the perfume bottle. No complicated description, no extra prompt writing, just upload the image, click generate, and let's see what it gives us. The final render looks polished. The AI automatically places the product in a professionally balanced lighting environment, bringing out the glassy texture and clarity of the bottle against a studio quality backdrop. If you were shooting this manually, getting the right macro angle, lighting, and reflections could take a lot of trial and error. Here, the process is much simpler. One product image, one click, and you have a usable video asset. If you prefer a visual-first approach without writing complex text, MoneyShot helps you quickly build a strong product concept video. In practice, you might run into a different problem. What if you don't have a clear ad concept yet, or you're not sure how to write the right prompt? My advice is simple. Use a conversation tool like ChatGPT or Claude to build the first structure for you. For example, let's use the white down jacket again. The target audience is urban women aged 25 to 35, and the key selling points are lightweight comfort, versatility, and value. So I can ask the AI, please write 3 short UGC-style video ad prompts for a white down jacket. The target audience is urban women aged 25 to 35. The key selling points are lightweight, comfort, versatility, and great value. For each prompt, include the scene, the presenter's actions, and expression guidance. The model will instantly generate a structured prompt for you, such as weekend city walk, scene, a cozy coffee shop street, or downtown sidewalk. Presenter actions. The presenter walks with a coffee, zips up the jacket, shows the fit from front and side, then gestures to the pockets and clean silhouette. Expression guidance. Relaxed, cheerful, effortless. Look like she genuinely feels warm but not bulky. From here, I can simply copy one of these English prompts. There's no need to build the concept from scratch. Now let's take that prompt back into Polo AI. Text AI helps design the ad concept, and Polo AI turns that concept into a video asset. It's a clean, automated production pipeline. Back in Polo AI, here's the main dashboard. I'll import the product image into the asset panel, then paste the prompt we just copied into the prompt field. Next, choose the layout style I'm selecting, the native UGC format, because it provides consistent performance when testing across short-form video platform. Moving down, you can customize your preferred brand presenter and select a casual background setting to keep the video feeling authentic. Now, click Generate. The system takes about 2 minutes to render. And here's the finalized video asset. The product details are clear, the movement is natural, and it's ready for multi-channel creative testing. Finally, to try this workflow yourself, you can find the link in the description. Whether your business focuses on apparel, fragrances, tech gadgets, or home goods, Polo AI gives you flexible formats to create and test ad assets faster. It's easy to get started. You can get familiar with the dashboard in about 10 minutes and generate your first batch of test assets today. Start with one product, test a few formats, and see which creative direction works best for your audience. That's how you optimize ad creation in a smarter, faster way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.